The third bit of the 10th question says this BO has been extended such that the AP which is parallel to BC, this BO meets A at B, and by joining OC we have to prove that BAC plus APB, the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. In this triangle OBC we have these two, the radii of the same circle equal, and therefore the angles facing them are opposite to them are also equal, this being an isosceles triangle. And since these two angles are equal, we can say that they are, I can replace one of them with the same one, and therefore comfortably say that twice of OCB plus BOC is 180 degrees. Now this line BOP with ray OC, we have BOC plus POC is equal to 180 degrees, and herein we have this equals to 180 and this equals to 180, and Euclid's axiom 1 says things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore we can comfortably equate these two things, out of which we are left with this equation, because OCB and OBC are equal angles. Therefore we can substitute OBC with OCB and write this equation. After this, since AP BC parallel lines with transversal, we can comfortably say that this angle is equal to this angle. So APB is equal to OBC. And if I multiply these both sides with 2, I have 2 OBC equals to 2 APB. And herein again we can see that Euclid axiom 1 is once again operating. These two things are equal to the same thing, therefore they are equal to one another. Therefore I can write this statement comfortably. And as I can see, these being a linear pair, that has been once again written here for convenience, because it was declared long ago and therefore now this POC is equal to 2AB, and I want to substitute this value in equation, putting equation 4 in equation 5. So I am substituting BOC plus POC with this, and I arrived at this equation. And in this you can see that chord BC is subtending an angle at the center which is double the angle subtended on the circle. So BOC is double of BAC, and that has been declared here. Now herein I have obtained this with the central angle and the inscribed angle, and now I wish to replace BOC with this, because this equals to this. I will replace it with this, and 2 BAC plus 2 APB is equal to 190, and I have taken 2 common for these two angles, and then it is 180. If I take 2 common out of this also, and now divided in entire thing by 2 on both sides, I will have 180 by 2 is 90, and these two gets nullified, and I am left with this proof which is required.